Yes.
Okay. Now you have to forgive me for my not being able to pronounce it. My name is Nagme Abedini, and thank them and ask them to. Can you say that again?
Prensa Cristiana.
And ask them to follow Prensa Cristiana.
Yeah.
And that's it. Just say my name and Prensa Cristiana.
Yeah, like say my name is Nagme, and I want you to all follow Prensa Cristiana because they help us. They are a really good social news media that give positive news and all that.
My name is Nagme Abedini. I would ask you to follow Presna Christiana and to get more information on Pastor Said. And I appreciate their help and prayers for our family. God bless.